So in this tutorial, let me show you how not to put photos on your iCloud. So if you don't want to have your photos uploaded to iCloud, well, in your gallery, you have no idea which photos are stored locally and which are on the cloud. But what you can do is to go to the settings app like this and click on your profile at the top. From this, you can proceed to iCloud in here, and then you can see the storage breakdown and so on, but all of the features are below, which includes the photos. So click on photos, and you essentially want to make sure that sync this iPhone is not turned on. Because if it is, then all of your pictures get automatically uploaded to iCloud, and that way when you turn it off, your photos only stay locally stored. So if you want to not upload them, make sure it is turned off. But one more thing you should know about it, if you want to manage your iCloud library, just go to a Safari tab and literally just type in iCloud.com to the web browser. Just sign into the web version of iCloud, and in there you can manage your existing photos there. So as you can see, I have, once it loads up, I have 3 photos currently on iCloud. You can see like this, and I can click on the trash and then delete it from the cloud. So, I'm not uploading my photos there anymore, of course, but if there are some pictures on the cloud, you can manage them very easily this way. That's my favorite way of doing it. And of course, the local library is completely different from the iCloud Photos library. So that's how you can browse it separately and control it the way that you want. That's how you can disconnect it. So subscribe if you like this video and found it useful. Hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next uploads as well.